So next up, guys, got a good dozer here. So I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. But this is a 1998 John Deere 850C. Coming from a local consignor. It's been recently an in-frame overhaul about 300 hours ago. It's got just under 8,000 hours on the whole machine. We're getting the paperwork back, but it had new transmissions put in it about 1,000 hours ago. We're getting all that information from Martin Equipment. And once we have that, I'll have the exact time when that was done. The AC works. Obviously has the cab with heat as well. Undercarriage is real good, about 75–80% left there, guys. Starts up, runs good. Obviously rebuilt transmission, in-frame overhaul, all those things. Mechanically, real solid dozer. So I'm here with Al. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Real good sounding machine, guys. Be a 4-way blade on it. It did have the hydraulic cylinder, just completely rebuilt recently, guys, as well. So it's had a lot of work done to it. So there's the quick little demo, guys. A 1998 John Deere 850C. Dozer, guys, got the 4-way blade. So there's the demo. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.